What's up, guys? It's Texas Outlaw, and today I have an unboxing here from e-bike. I have a W.E 1911 3.8 pistol and a mystery box from e-bike as well. The swag pack edition or whatever. It's like a $17 mystery box. So let's see what I get. What's good? So paper, lots of it, and I got some hand sanitizer. Wow, nice. So in the mystery box, I won a let's see here, bottle of .28 5,000 rounds. Pretty nice. Some metal targets from e-bike, a panic button patch, little farmers card, and e-bike sticker. And then I have the gun itself right here. So have the manual when you first open the box. It just shows you how to load it and stuff, and then it comes with a full metal magazine right here, green gas inserts right there, and it comes with some extra. What is this here? Let's check this out. So it looks like a screw and maybe a plate for the bottom of the magazine, or we will find out later once I look at the manual. But this is the gun. It's pretty small. That's like 2 stickers right here. Baby Hi Capa 3.8. Pretty nice. I'm gonna remove this orange tip, so it's gonna look like this pretty much. And it does have a serrated slide right here, top and both sides. Pretty nice. Has a chrome barrel with fiber optic sides at the front and at the back. Pretty nice. See right through it. So as an enlarged magwell right here, the thing is full metal. Feels like the slide is aluminum, and everything is metal except the grips and the fiber optic sides. So that's about it for this unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all leave a like and subscribe. Have a good one.